Hi everyone, it's Chantal with Truma. I'm here today to tell you how to use your CP Plus to turn on your VarioHeat in your RV. So we're going to get started. The CP Plus is the wall control that you'll use to operate your climate control. So the first thing that you do is press the button. The icon with the RV that has the thermometer in the center of it is where you're going to select your room temperature. So when that is flashing, you'll push and release the button, and the display is going to say heater or AC. If the air conditioner, the Aventa, is connected to the CP Plus, you'll have that choice. So we're going to be on heater. We're going to push and release. Now it says off because the temperature hasn't been selected. And we're going to go ahead and turn that dial, and I'm going to push and release the button. Now my temperature is selected. I know that that temperature is selected because above the furnace icon is a little flame that goes up to the status line. So on the status line, I can see that the furnace is on. When it's flashing, when the flame icon is flashing, that's letting you know that it is on and it's calling for heat. When it's not flashing, it's not calling for heat. That means the room temperature has been reached. And then on the status line also, you'll see a propane bottle, and that just lets you know it's running on gas. And then the next icon over is your fan speed. So it is on, everything on the status line looks good. The face of the CP Plus will then switch back and forth between the set temperature and the time that is set. That's all there is to it. So we've gone through how to turn on your VarioHeat and select the temperature. And so when you look at the wall control, the CP Plus, you can see that the furnace is on because the fan or the flame icon is on the status line. And then if you scroll over to the fan wheel, the little fan blade setting, once that's flashing, push and release the button. And it has a couple of different settings. There's auto and night. The auto setting, the fan is going to self-adjust based on the demand for heat, the amount of heat inside of the unit. It's a very intelligent appliance, so it's going to automatically adjust that fan speed to get you up to temperature the fastest and most economical way. So it's going to conserve energy, and it's going to look at lots of information and pick the fan speed in the auto mode. But then there's also the night mode. And the night mode is going to be an ultra quiet operation. So it's going to put the fan at a lower fan speed so that while you're sleeping, you're not going to hear the fan coming on and off overnight. It's just going to maintain a nice, quiet, low fan speed. If it needs to ramp up because it needs more fan speed to maintain the temperature, it won't do that in the night mode. So if you want it to automatically change, you have it in the auto mode. If you have it in the night mode, it's going to stay at the same constant fan speed until you change that. So if you need to know more information about the settings on your CP Plus, please refer to our other videos that are found on our website, www.truma.com, and always look at your owner's manual. Now you can just enjoy the nice, quiet, comfort of the inside of your RV.